Prepare to explore 5 quirky inventions that, despite their failure, spark our curiosity and amusement. First up, the umbrella hat. Imagine walking in the rain, your hands free, as an umbrella sits atop your head. A cute concept, yet it didn't hold up in stormy weather. Then we have the self-stirring teacup. Picture enjoying your tea, perfectly mixed automatically. A clever idea, but it tended to spill more than stir. Next is the flying bicycle. Think of cycling above the clouds, merging the joy of biking with the allure of flying. Unfortunately, this dream was often pulled back down by gravity. Consider the dog washing machine next. A simple way to clean your dog, looking more like a mini rocket. It aimed for convenience but might have stressed the pets instead. Lastly, the fish telephone. A device to talk to sea creatures, though it ultimately sank into oblivion. These inventions, while not making their mark in functionality, certainly leave an imprint on our imaginations.